Hello student, welcome to all of you. See your Unit 7 SIBSE Environment lecture. From Unit 7, we are going to discuss about human communities and the environment. See the first one, human population growth. First topic from Unit 7, that is human population growth. Here in this topic we will discuss impact on environment, human health and the welfare. So see the first one, what is human population? In every second, 4 to 5 number of children are born somewhere on the earth and 2 people get died. Overpopulation will definitely cause natural resources depletion and environmental degradation. So the total fertility rate, the number of children born to an average woman, crude birth rate, the number of births per thousand person per year, crude death rate, the number of deaths per thousand person per year. Life expectancy, it is average age of person at death, and current average life expectancy is around 40 to 50 years. So here in this slide, human population means what? In every second, the 4 to 5 children were born and 2 people were died. And overpopulation, but naturally it caused the natural resources and depletion and the environmental degradation. So number of children born to an average woman, that is total fertility rate. Crude birth rate, the number of births per thousand person per year. Crude death rate, the number of deaths per thousand person per year. And the lifespan, the average life expectancy is around 40 to 50 years. So in this next slide, reasons for the population growth. Science and technology advancement has increased the expectancy of human. So this is first reason for the population growth. Science and technology advancement, it is responsible for the population growth or expectancy of human. Means people started living with good sanitation, with good food, with good medical facilities, increase in population exponential. So therefore in developing countries the population increase is at a rate of 3.4% per year. Population explosion. Population explosion means the tremendous increase in the number of people. Means very highly or suddenly increase that graph exponentially. Okay, and the population explosion means tremendous increase in number of people. And it is known fact that the increase of population is playing vital role of all environmental damage. As the population increase, and they play a role of all environmental damage. Okay, because we all are very dependent on the environment for fulfill our basic needs like food, shelter and clothing. So as the population increases, and they play a vital role for the environmental damage. Most of our natural resources are under threatened, means they become going to decrease. So the threatened plants, threatened animals, and the others also. So our natural resources are under threatened because of the population growth increases. Population explosion increase, diseases, economic inequality, and environmental abuse. So reasons for population explosion. So what's the reason? Increase in birth rate in developed countries due to illiteracy. 35% of the population of India is illiterate. So, and the second reason for exponential population explosion, that is a good medical facilities. And the invention of such a modern medical facilities, these are responsible for the population explosion. So these are the some reasons for population explosion. So the first reason, that is increase in birth rate in developed countries due to illiteracy. Illiteracy means what? That is uneducated. Okay, and 35% of population of India is illiterate. So these are the basic reason for population explosion. and invention of good modern medical facilities, and these are also responsible for the population explosion because they reduced mortality rate, that is death rate. So see this image, that image or this picture shows most populous countries. The first number, that is China, near about 1267 million world's population. Okay, so each figure equal to 100 million individual. Okay, and this is July 1999 data. Then second is India, 998, then US, then Indonesia, then Brazil. So the next one, that pie diagram shows the chart or the distribution of world's population in 2005. Peoples occupy how many area from that countries. First one, that is China, India, Indonesia, other Asia, Africa, Europe, USA, and South America. So this is the distribution of world population in 2005. Then introduction to environment and health. Here, in previous slide, we already see that what is human population, how they increase, what's the impact. Then here, from this slide, we will discuss about the environment and the health, means how the human population explosion that effect on or the impact on the environment and the health of the people. So first one, that is objective. Objectives: health in its physical, mental, social, and spiritual context. Okay, health in its physical, mental, and social, spiritual context. Environment to be an important factor in the interaction of agent, the physical, biological, social, and environment. Social environment and understand their impact. So environmental impact directly on the physical and biologically, then human activities, then health of individual, then again physical and biological environment, again human activities, like this. See the next slide, environmental impacts on population growth. Here, what's the actually impacts of this population growth on the environment? So first one, that is overconsumption of resources depletes non-renewable resources. Means overconsumption, overuse of resources, they depletes the non-renewable resources. Human population emits waste, untreated sewage waste and other pollutants have negative impact. They disturb the natural ecosystem. Okay. Then next one, that is big societies consume more resources compared to smaller ones. Pattern of consumption and choices of technology may result in more environmental impacts compared to the number of people. Environmental effects of human population growth emerge from interactions between national economic development and population. So issues of economic growth is related to the environment. Wealthier nations aim at maintaining the quality of their environment, can afford cleaner services. Okay, so these are the some reasons behind this. Okay, population growth is impact on the environment. So pattern of consumption, choices of technology, they result the more environmental impact as compared to the number of peoples also. Then environmental effect of human population growth emerge from the interaction between national economic development and population. So this issue of economic growth is related to the environment. Wealthier nations aim to maintaining the quality of their environment, and they can afford cleaner services. So see this picture here, overcrowded area of these people. What is the population? Group of individual of species occupy a definite geographical area at a given time. This is a simple definition of the population. So group of individual of species occupying a definite geographic area at a given time. Then these are some reasons: industrial revolution, infrastructure, water, energy, transportation, increased productivity, nutrition, sanitation, and medicine. Okay, these factors are responsible for the population growth. Then growth rate depends on the several factors. So in this slide, the rate of birth, that is fertility, countries with the most birth per year. Okay. So in this chart, the million birth in the millions. First one, that is India, 24.1 million. Then next to the India, that is China, 16.7. Then Nigeria, 5.3. Then Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, US, Brazil. Okay. Likewise. So this is the rate of birth or the fertility rate. Countries with the most birth per year. Okay, this is the fertility per year in different countries. India, it is in the first number. So birth rate means what? Number of babies produced per thousand individual. Okay, per thousand person, number of babies produced. That is a birth rate. Total fertility rate, average number of children that would be born to women in her lifetime. That is a total fertility rate. Average number of children that would be born to women in her lifetime. Okay, replacement level, number of children a couple must produce to replace themselves. It is always higher than 2.0 since some children die before reaching reproductive age. Then mortality. What is mortality? Mortality, it is a death rate. Death rate per thousand individuals. So reduction in mortality rate because of the industrial revolution, improved personal hygiene, modern medicine. Okay, this is the important reasons for the increasing population growth. Okay, why the mortality rate is reduced? Why the death rate is reduced? Because of industrial revolution, improved personal hygiene. That means good sanitation facilities or habits, okay, good food material, and the modern medicine techniques responsible for the reducing death rate. That means obviously increase the growth, population growth. Then migration. What is migration? Movement of individual into or out of place, out of country. Means they get moved from one country to another country or within the country or out of place. That is a migration. The age and sex structure. Proportion of individuals of different ages within that population in age structure. Okay. So proportion of active male and females in a population influence population growth. Okay. This is about the age and sex structure. Then population explosion. In previous slide, we already have an idea about what is population explosion. That means tremendous increase in the number of people. An enormous growth of human being is called as population explosion. And the main causes for this population explosion, that is fertility, reduced infant mortality rate, increased food production, and longevity. Okay, these are the causes for population explosion. Then impacts. This is one of the important factor from your syllabus, that is population growth is impact on the environment. So see the one by one. First point, that is pollution. First impact, that is a pollution. Pollution means what? Increase in cars and emission of greenhouse gases into atmosphere. Okay, overpopulation, that increase in number of cars, they emits a greenhouse gases into directly into the atmosphere. Then second one, that is deforestation. Second impact is deforestation, means to build houses for increasing population. Means as the population increases, then their necessity or basic needs like shelter. Okay, this is also increase. That demand also increase, and for to building such a houses, to build houses, and so there is a deforestation, means to build a houses for increasing population. Then fresh water availability. Here, increase in waste production and contamination of water. As the population increases, number of waste production is increases, and they contaminate the water. Then natural resources. Increase burning of fossil fuels, excessive use of coal, Okay, these natural resources they also depleted by day. Then global warming, overall increase in temperature of Earth, and there is a chances of natural disasters. Okay, we already facing such a problems like global warming, when with the highly increasing temperature due to such a greenhouse gases, highly emission of the greenhouse gases. Okay, increasing temperature and they melt, melting, and such a natural disasters are occur. Then habitat loss. This is one of the impact. Change in ecosystem affecting trophic layers. Okay, this is habitat means the living area of that particular plant, animal, or any other living thing. They get affect, and the change in due to the change in ecosystem affecting trophic levels. Results: higher fertility rate due to failure of family planning. These are the some reasons for population growth. Then predominating religious or superstitious nature. This is also responsible for increasing population growth, or the this is one of the reason. Importance of male child as compared to female child. Okay, this is also a responsible, or this is also one of the reason for increasing population growth. Then social insecurity, poverty, and backwardness. Okay, these are also the reason for increasing population growth. In this image, the map of our country India, and there is a how much area occupied by such a crowded population. Okay, then urbanization and its implication. What's the causes? Rural problems like drought, condition, discrimination, unemployment, all major developments in cities. Okay, and better life in cities, standard of living also increases. Okay, then environmental implications. Here, see this chart: lands and housing, food, forest, water supply and sanitation, and energy resources. Family welfare programs. Here, basic training of multipurpose health worker, village health guides schemes, rural health training center, family welfare training and research center in Mumbai. Then human health and environment. Means as per your syllabus, how the population growth is impact on the human health and the environment. So see here in first topic, the huge population pressurize and degrades the environment physically, chemically, and biologically. Means overpopulation, they pressurize or degrade. They automatically degrades the environmental physically, chemically, and biologically. Okay, means population increases and the adverse effect on the physically, chemically, and biological effect. So the state of health of people depends on clean environment. Okay, the change in human environment increase the incidence of many diseases. The various diseases like HIV, AIDS, TB, malaria, waterborne disease, and in nowadays there is one again added in this list, that is a COVID-19. In climate and health, here one of the best example from this climate and health, or the how such a increasing population or the urbanization or such a industrial plant production, they impact on the environment. The best example, that is Bhopal gas tragedy. Here hazardous chemicals like pesticide, DDT, endosulfan, etc. Then infectious diseases also, water related diseases also, risk due to chemicals in food also, and cancer and the environment. Then such a overpopulation also impact on women and child welfare. You can tell the condition of a nation by looking at the status of its women. This sentence is given by Jawaharlal Nehru. Means you can tell the condition of nation by looking at the status of its women live in that nation. So women and children constitute three-fourths of human population. Usually the soft targets. suffer mainly because they are weaker, helpless, and economically dependent. So, collection and burning of households fueled by women, women's problems with regard to water supply and sanitation, women and children in hazardous occupation, problem of cook stove pollution. Women and child welfare in India. There is some women and child welfare. For example, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Balika Samriddhi Yojana, Integrated Child Development Service, special programs for development of women and children in rural area. Okay, this is all about the first topic. First topic from Unit 7, that is human population growth, means impacts on environment, how the human population growth impact on the environment and the impact on the human health and welfare. Okay, so this is all about the topic 1 from Unit 7. Okay, thank you very much.